So I decided to do a little upgrade on my E21. It's a 1982 BMW 320i. So I got these LED H4 lights from Amazon. I believe there's 6,000 Ks. They're 6,500 K for the color temperature. There it is. And they were about $50, $49.99. Here you can compare the original H4 to the LED H4. So it's basically plug and play. Just pull the old one out. I already replaced this one. And plug the new one back in. So if you've ever done these, there's two clips. You remove the clips, bulb comes out, put it in, put the clips back in, and just hook it right up. A little difference between both bulbs is that you can see that back is a little taller than that back. So when you put the rubber protector on the back, it doesn't quite make it all the way back in to the lens housing. I'll show this in a sec. But it should still protect. I think, you know, it doesn't quite make it it just barely makes contact with the rear of the actual lens housing, but I'm hoping it still protects it from the dirt and grime. So that's what it looks like once it's completely hooked up, including the protective rubber boot. All right, it's daylight out, but you can still see the difference, big difference. So LED there on the left, right there. Original on the right. Right off the bat, you can tell it's much brighter. And of course, it's a white, slightly bluish light versus the slightly yellow light on the other side. Now, from what I've always understood, the yellowish light is better in the rain, in the fog, so there's no glare, or there's less glare, where I might get a little more glare driving with these. But that's a good excuse to add some fog lights there to the bottom, which I actually have. So I'll probably put those fog lights or driving lights in the bottom and hook those up at some point. And that way in the rain, I just flick those suckers on and don't have to worry about a whole lot of reflection. So I think it looks pretty good. We'll see. I don't mind the yellow. The yellow is a little more classic. That's a little modern, but I should be able to see better. The Hella H4 lenses also have like a little lip on the side right here. You can see it there. So that's going to look really nice from the side. And then the high beam is flat. So yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. So let me switch the high beams on and see what it looks like. All right, and that's what it looks like with the high beams. So of course the high beam still looks pretty yellow because that's the original one. The original H4 looks a little on the yellowish side. And then you have that really white looking LED there for the high-low. And then for the high, you have that yellowish one. And that's what they look like both sides on. And with the engine running, because they're a lot dimmer with the engine off.